at the Hotel Hershey in Hershey, Pennsylvania. We have a modded Schindler. That's, what do you call it? Hadfield elevator modded this. Pretty nice mod. Look at this bar button. Innovation, what do you call it? Bruiser bar button. That bar button, that's nice. Launch indicator. Not every day you see Innovation Bruiser with white lights around it. You can actually see possibly through here. I don't think you can. Pretty cool bar button. Listen to a motor will be quiet going up this time. Here we go. Here's your white Innovation Bruiser fixtures. I'm going to G and end it off. There's your old interlock. Installed in. This was formerly a 300A with MT fixtures. Installed in 1994 or 1995. And cab view. It's a really nice cab. Really nice. I like this brass on it. And here we are at the ground. It's taking me a GI for some reason. And that's it.